Here we have a servo precision sensitive drill press. Includes operation and maintenance manual. And we have it powered up. I'll show you that it does operate. There's the slow speed right there. Variable speed drive. That's all the way on high. A little down speed here. Can adjust it there or over here. Alright. Turn it down a little bit. I'll just pull off this cover here and just show you. And then we're going to turn the unit off, and I'm just going to show you that there's a little plastic right here. It's broken off, okay? And on the base here, there's a small crack. It didn't really seem to affect the base too much there. Overall, is in very good condition.